Let me tell you something. One day I was just chilling and surfing through random GitHub repositories. I found this one repository called Instagram Web API, which gave me the idea of creating a bot that will autopost something. It was clear I had to send something, but I wasn't certain what to send. I suddenly thought of combining the Anime Quad API with Canvas and a little bit of scrapping that I will explain later in this video. Ultimately, my main goal was to get a large amount of followers with this bot, as I thought you could post anything on Instagram and you would get followers. Before I start the video, I would like you all to join our server where we are hosting great events like Coding Challenge and Chat and Win Challenge, so please consider joining our server. Now back to the video. So the idea was to get random codes through this anime code API, then use that code information like the anime name and character name to scrap wallpaper related to it from this wallpaper website which has vast amount of wallpapers. After we are done with gathering resources, we take that code and wallpaper to generate an image using Canvas. I was done with the process of generating and uploading images on Instagram. I set it to post an image every minute. Then I thought it was too much, so I changed it to 5 minutes. I left the bot running for like 6 hours, and when I came back, Instagram logged me out. I knew in an instant that I got temporarily banned. So I waited for 24 hours and changed the timer to 12 hours for posting images. After 1 month, I checked back on the bot. It frequently posted images, but the number of followers was low. This proved my theory wrong that posting anything on Instagram will get me followers. If you are interested in this bot or want to use it on your account, then let me tell you how you can do it, but I recommend you do not use it on your main account. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as IDE and Git for cloning repository. So make sure you have these two things installed on your device. Open command prompt. Locate it to the desktop by executing the cd command. Copy the URL of my repository and then execute git clone command with the URL of repository. Once the cloning is completed, use the code command along with the repository name to trigger Visual Studio Code. Now slide up the terminal in VSC. Install all required packages by executing npm install command. Once the installation is done, go to the file with name config.json. Input all required details and save the changes using Ctrl+S. Run the bot by executing the npm start command. This is it. Now the bot will post random quotes every 12 hours on your account. This bot was fun to create, and no matter how small or how big it is, I truly love what I create. It also posted one of my favorite quotes.